already not coming out my hair. We have a curl. Ooh! I was bored. You guys thought I was gonna have a real intro. My name is Amy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, for more creative content like this in the future. And without further ado, let's get this video started. For this, you will need lots of combs if you have thick hair like me. Cotton buds, of course. And I'm using my Cream of Nature's mousse. And a lot of prayers because honey. In fact, let me go say some prayers right now off camera. So the Lord knows I'm serious about this hairstyle. Because I'm not playing these games. So right now I'm gonna take out my braids and I'll see you in a bit. I look like a mop. So this is the result of my hair in a bag. And yeah. So I'm gonna take this out and I'm just gonna start by putting the cotton buds in my hair. Make sure you moisturize or like just put water in your hair to make sure your hair isn't so dry like a desert. Going in with the mousse. Gonna put some in there. This little tiny elastic band I'm gonna use to secure it. Oh, it tastes disgusting. Well, that's definitely gonna rip off my hair. My lazy butt is just gonna put a bunch in my hands and just put it all on my hair because I really don't have time for this. Maybe I should have searched up to see if it feels safe to put cotton buds in your hair. Oh well. I feel like I'm gonna regret this later. This one's stuck. Wait, how am I gonna take these things out of my hair? I can't believe I'm gonna do my whole head and this has taken how long? Finally done one section. So I feel like when people are doing hair videos, they talk to their like subscribers / people who are just watching a video. So I feel the need to have a conversation with you guys for some odd reason. So hey, how's your day been? I can't believe I'm acting like you guys are actually gonna respond to me. That's sad. Aww. Can I just tell you guys something like extremely short? So when I was in year 9, we were going into a physics class, right? The teacher made this new rule where if you come a minute late to class, he'll give you detention. So me and my 2 other friends, we were in the queue, like the line to go into class. And we were at the very back. But we were already in the line, so technically we weren't late. And we were behind this one guy. And the teacher decided to have a mini conversation. So the teacher finished his conversation with that guy. As soon as he let that guy through, the teacher has the audacity to take out his phone and is like, "Girls, you're late." And I'm like, what? We were right behind him. You saw us. You just decided to have a little chit chat. And then he's like, "Oh, too bad, you have detention." And he wasn't even playing. I thought he was playing and he wasn't. And this still bothers me to this day. By the way, I changed up my technique. So what I do is I coil my hair around my fingers. Then I get the cotton bud and I roll it around. Make sure that coil's super tight. Wait, why am I saying this like you guys are gonna be silly enough like me to try this? Visco girls don't really care much about it, but like 1 minute I'm like, eh. But another minute I'm like, pass the Hydro Flask, pass the lip gloss. I have finished my entire head and I started yesterday and it is now the morning. Look at all of that. Look at it. How disrespectful is that? It's the morning and I slept with my satin scarf on, as you can tell. Yesterday, I showed my mom what my head looked like. She was laughing because of the way my head looked with the cotton buds in. I can't believe I actually did this. And now we shall reveal whether it is worth doing this or not. Don't worry, I already know my hair's gonna come out garbage. So they say to use a sealant oil when taking out your hair out of braids, or twists, or whatever like style it's in. Today I'll be using olive oil. Rub some on my hands. Hands nice and greasy. This one isn't coming out. How did I even put this in my hair? Ow. And that, my friends, is the face of a black girl with thick, curly, natural hair. Looks like I may have to cut off this bit of hair. Just wanted to give you guys like a texture shot right here. These are the ones I like finger coiled first. Side the curls are looking nice and popping, you know what I'm saying? And over here it looks like a total disaster happened on my head. In a way, I think I kind of look like a boy. Length check. Let's buy my hoodie. Okay, that's not that bad. Like, I'm just gonna separate the curls where they naturally want to separate. So basically anywhere. See? Perfection. And now I have the audacity to pick out my hair and give it some volume. So this is how my hair is looking. You better stop! It's just like my psychology results. I don't think my prayer got through. It's a no from me, honey boo boo. It's you making the noise! Cut the grass somewhere else! So Muffin, what did you think of my hair before I took it out? Yeah, me too. So this is my hair after I tried to kind of tweak it a little bit to try and make it look better. But the edges the edges are screaming. You know what? I don't care. I really don't. But personally, I kind of like it because it looks natural, I guess. Did I waste my time? Definitely yes. But look on the bright side. I have a ghost in my house who said you needed perm rods. But hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and obviously hit that notification button so you can see when I post. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, which will be right here and in the description box below. But anyway, guys, see you in my next video. Bye!